Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we're in St. Elizabeth. We're in Treasure Beach to be exact. And down in Great Bay there's a place on the water, on the beach. This place is known for its lobster, known for its seafood. This is Lobster Pot. Down on Jamaica's quiet southern coast, where time slows down and the sea whispers secrets, you'll find Lobster Pot. The shack by the sea, where the vibes is easy, the breeze is salty, and the food pure magic. In this kitchen, there's not a lot of talking. It's splitting the lobsters and cleaning them up. Fresh from the sea, these lobsters are about to experience a transformation, each one getting its own special treatment. First, a quick dunk in ice cold water to keep them fresh and vibrant. Then back to the chopping block to be cut, cleaned, and seasoned. Shell on, that's grilled. Shell off, or no shell, that's garlic. Down here it's hot, feel like the sun has touched the earth. But we got the cracking of the lobster, but the seasoning itself, that is a secret. We're not going to expose them secret, let them know what they do. We'll tell you how it go after that. That man look good, that smell good. Wow. Yes, chef. Big up yourself. You can smell, say it tastes good. In Jamaica, when in doubt, add pepper. Here, add garlic. The menu is seasonal. Each dish comes with a little bit of love and that smell and taste of St. Elizabeth fresh produce, turning seaside simplicity into something unforgettable. Treasure Beach on the black sands right in Great Bay. We have a feast of feasts. It's a seafood feast. We're right by where the fishing boat's coming, so this lobster is fresh, this fish is fresh, the bami is fresh but seasoned properly. Chef was in there walking in, you could smell just the kitchen, and that scent of the kitchen was just exhilarating. You could tell that a lot of good things going on in there, and it just invited you like you're floating in a cartoon to the kitchen to come and taste it. First of all, you can't go wrong with grilled lobster. It's lobster season. I had to get a grilled lobster. I am going to need a fork for this. That's fresh. Lightly seasoned, but then there's a sauce that we have to put on it. There's a garlic sauce that we're going to smother all over it. That's so sweet. The garlic sauce is ridiculously good. It's loaded with the garlic flavor. And it's just smooth, it's creamy, it's buttery, it's decadent. That's what it is. It's decadent, and it just soaks and encapsulates that lobster. And the sweetness of it just brings it out even more. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's perfectly cooked. I can't get enough of that sauce. It's one of those sauces that we will say you can drink it, chef. You know exactly what you're doing, how to cook it, how to flavor it, how to season it. you're going to need that garlic sauce because this grilled lobster is lightly seasoned.
So good.
Without a monster of a snapper. This snapper looks golden and fried to perfection. Say if it's seasoned to perfection. There's escovitch sauce, but you don't have to try it without the sauce first. Crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside, and lightly seasoned. I love that seasoning. It's light, it's not salty, so you're getting the flavor of the fish. You're not getting the flavor of the seasoning. Perfectly done. Real props to the chef on that one. And there's escovitch sauce to go with it as well. Want a little tang, want a little, you know, I love the onions and the peppers. And good escovitch sauce. Spicy, but nicely spicy. This feast is not complete without going into the garlic lobster. Now the difference is the first lobster was grilled. You saw that char mark on it. This one is not grilled. This one was just cooked down in the garlic sauce, and you have some vegetables in there. You have some sweet pepper, and I saw when he was grating the garlic into it. So it's supposed to be heavily seasoned with the garlic flavor. This one is also cooked right to perfection. Not tough, but that sauce, they could bottle that sauce and it would be something amazing. It's so creamy, it's so decadent. It really works with the lobster. It works. I mean, I would even put it on the fish. You have to check this place out. It's right on Great Bay in Treasure Beach. Wicked little spot. You come down, you order your fish, chef in there doing him thing. The drinks you get next door, so you don't get the drinks where you come and eat. You have to go next door, walk across, get your drinks over there in the little bar, and then come back over and enjoy your feast. Festival. I don't even try the festival. That's good.
Yeah, the festival is good.
You see Monday eat lobster, you know. Still this bummy. Our song.
Very good.
It's very good. Perfect.
Bad man.
It's sour?
Yeah, fish is good.
Jimmy can't talk, you know. Drinking this sauce like a soup. I really like it.
It's very good.
It's very good. Shopping for food, but big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man.
It's even well proper, man.
Thank you.
Give thanks here. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, that was Lobster Spot. Check it out. There'll be a link in the description. You'll have it on the screen as well. People are always saying, where's the address, where's the address? It's in the description. Most of the time it's on the screen. Sometimes I forget. But big up on yourself. Stay safe. Heart of love. Bless.